Hello guys, welcome back to our channel SciTech Hub. In our previous video we did lots of coding on array, and today we will show you some interesting methods on string. So before doing that, let's prepare our HTML file, because right now demo HTML is blank. So we can do it's in Visual Studio. It's very easy. Template HTML, we have to write and that exclamatory sign, then we need to press the tab and the template is ready. Okay, so in the title we can string methods, we can write string methods. Okay, and let's save it, and let's include the demo.js file in this HTML file. So script src is equals to demo.js. okay, let's go to the demo.js. yes, it's blank js file. Okay, so first we will show you the index of method. By this we can detect specified text is present in a string or not. This method returns the first occurrence of the specified text. Okay, so let's take a string. Let's take a string var message. Okay, here I want to mention that we can use var, or we can use also the let keywords, because year 6 encouraged to use that let operator instead of var, because in year 6 introduced two operators, let and const. So here we are going to use let message, let keywords. Okay, don't worry guys, we will make another video on that year 6. Okay, so right now I am going to use that let message, and the string is who is the best footballer CR7 or Messi. Okay, so this is a string, and let's take another variable. Let searched string. Okay, let's take CR7 in this variable. Okay, so first, as I mentioned, that first we will learn that index of method. Okay, so by this index, how can we write this index of method? Log. In the console log we are going to print this in console log message dot index of. Here you can also see VS Code suggests us what is the index of methods. So by this we can detect a specified text is present in a string or not. This method returns the first occurrence of that specified text. If the searched string text is not present in that string, then it will return -1. Okay, so index of, we need to pass that searched string. Okay, so here we are going to find that CR7 is present in this message variable or not. Okay, if it is present, then it will return the first occurrence. Remember, first occurrence of that string. Okay, let's go to the browser. Let's hit the refresh button. Okay, here see the string, it's changed to string methods titles. Okay, we have printed it in the console log, browser console log. And how can we check that browser console log? It's simple. Control Shift J. Press the Control Shift J. Here it's 28. 28 actually the position of that occurrence. Okay, I also told you that it will return the first occurrence. Okay, let's copy CR7 another and paste in here. So hopefully the result will be the same, 28. Here it is 28, means it is returning the first occurrence, this. Okay, let's remove this CR7 from here. Okay, let's save it, and let's see any other variable like Pele. We're going to search that Pele is present in this message or not. So let's go to the browser. See, it is not present in that string, so that's why it is returning -1. Okay, now here I want to mention one thing. We can also pass another parameter with the searched string. Okay, like that, log message dot index of, okay, so searched string, comma, the position means from where we need to search. Okay, the search string is Pele is not present in the string, so let's change it to the CR7 again. So see, its occurrence is 28, first occurrence 28 and second is 28, both returning the same, because it's the only difference is here the first console log, first index of finding it from the 0 position, and the second is index of finding the 20th position of the string. So let's change it to 29. Okay, so let's go to the browser. See, it's returning minus because it's searching from the 29th position, and CR7 is present in the 28th position, right? So this is the index of method. Now we will learn the search method. We will do the search method. But search method is doing the same thing as index of does. Returns the first occurrence, but the main difference between index of and search is search cannot take the second parameter. Okay, so it's doing the same thing. Let's check it. Log message dot search string. Let's go to the browser. See, it's returning the 28. Okay, so this is index of, this is search method. Now we're going to learn about that last index of. Last index of method returns the index of the last occurrence of the specified text in a string. So index of is returning the first occurrence, and last index of returning the last occurrence. Okay, so let's go to the code. Console.log message dot last index of and searched string. Okay, paste it. So let's go to the browser. Here it's returning 28 because CR7 we need to copy and paste CR7 again. So now we can find the difference between that first occurrence and last occurrence. See, the first occurrence index of returning that 28 and last occurrence returning the 32. So let's go to the code. Like array, slice method is available here to extract particular string from string by passing two parameters, start index and last index. Okay, let's check it. Slice method, log, okay, message dot slice. So let's pass two parameter, the one and another 3. Okay, so let's go to the browser, console log. Let's check it, what happens. Refresh it. See, it's returning HO. HO means this is the HO of who. Okay, so this is the slice method. If you remove the second parameter, the method will slice out the rest of the string. Okay, so let's check it. Remove that one. Let's go to the browser, refresh it. See, w is missing because it's taking from the first position, one position. Okay, so let's go to the code. So substring, now we're going to learn about that substring method. Substring is similar to slice. The difference is that substring cannot accept negative indexes. Okay, so let's go to the code. Log and message dot substring substring. I need to pass 1,6. okay, so let's go to the browser, edit. So it's coming HOIs. okay, so there is another method called substr. okay, so log message dot substr. Here also we need to pass two parameters. One is the starting number, okay, say it is 1, and the length. And the second parameter specifies the length of the extracted per. Let's go to the browser. Means it's returning age because it's saying that we will subtract the string, we will extract the string from first position to one letter. okay, if you set it to, then it will return HO. okay, so this is the substr method. Now we're going to learn the replacing string content. So to do that, we need to use the replace method. Replace method replaces a specified value with another value of a string. By default, the replace function is again sensitive. okay, so let's check it. Let's take a variable. Let's message to please subscribe our channel. okay, and we are going to use replace method. We will replace that our channel with site hub. okay, so and we will store it in a different variable. So let's replace message as here we are going to store the message to dot replace. okay, so first is our channel and comma, second parameter is site hub. okay, so let's print it in console log. So here replace message. Let's go to the browser. Now refresh it. Here the please subscribe site hub. okay, so here I want to mention that this replace method is a case sensitive. Case sensitive means if I change the our channel C in capital and let's go to the browser and refresh it, then it will not replace the site hub because it's a case sensitive. To avoid this case sensitiveness, we will need to use a regular expression with an I flag. So how can we do that? So simple, remove that single quotation. We will use that front slash. Within this front slash we have to mention that our channel. okay, and to avoid that case sensitiveness, we need to put that I flag. So I flag means insensitive. okay, let's go to the browser. Now refresh it. See, it's replaced with the replaced with the site hub. okay, so this is the replace method. So now we are going to learn about converting to upper and lower case. To convert it in upper and lower case, simple, we need to use say replace method dot to uppercase. Okay, so it refresh it, it's convert all the string in the uppercase. And if we copy paste this and change that method to lower case, then it will invalid. Okay, let's go to the browser. Here all the content converts into the lowercase. Okay, so this is upper and conversion of upper and lowercase. Okay, now we are going to use that concat method. We can concat, or we can joins two or more strings. Okay, so for that log message 2 dot concat the replaced message. Okay, so let's go to the browser, refresh it. See, please subscribe our channel, please subscribe SiteExam. Okay, so there is another method is char at and char code at. So char at method returns the character at a specified position in a string, and char code at method returns the Unicode of the character at a specified index in a string. So let's check it. First let's check that char at method message 2 dot char at. So let's say check with 1. Okay, so let's go to the browser, refresh it. It's returning L, please PLL, or we can do it 0. Okay, so refresh it to return the P. Okay, so and this is the char at, and there's the same thing is char code at. Okay, so let's char code at return that Unicode 80. Okay, so Unicode character of that P. Okay, so converting a string into an array. Okay, a string can be converted to an array with the split method. So log see message 2 dot split. Here we need to pass that symbol. Okay, so means that splitter. Let's press it space. Okay, let's go to the browser. See, it's split it into the array, it's converted into the array. So please subscribe our and channels are the items of that array. Okay, so that's it for today. Next video will be on DOM. We will describe about the different elements events like on click, on mouse over, and we'll do lots of coding. It's very important as we need to interact JavaScript with HTML elements, so don't miss out the video. So stay tuned. Please hit the like button if you like it, subscribe our channel if you are not a subscriber. You can also ask any questions or give any suggestion about the tutorial in the comment section. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of our latest video. And we are also making some videos on different example. You can find it in our channel, like smiley, from registration, searching, so you can check it out in our channel pages. Okay, thank you.